So this is what everybody wants to know, right? Is the price? All right. So this is what everybody wants to know. Is the price? Okay, we're gonna pay real close attention to 71. All right. And this is what everybody wants to know. Is the price going to break price right now? 71, right? 71, 75. Everybody wants to know, is the price gonna break this 71? And if it is, where is it going? And if it isn't, where is it going? The bounce. All right. So if you hear me say bounce, the price is going down, bounce back up. If you hear me say recoil, the price is going up, and then it turns around, and then it comes back down. Bounce, recoil, rally. It's a move to the upside on a downtrend pullback. It's a move down, right? In an uptrend, pullback, move down in an uptrend, rally. It's a move up in a downtrend. Okay. Bounce, recoil, rally, recoil, rally, rally, pullback. I need another coffee. Stronger. All right. All right. So a clean break, ladies and gentlemen, of 71. I'm expecting the price to give us a little bit of shenanigans. 71.68. That's not gonna be easy, but a clean break of 71. Chances are that the price is gonna take the no man's land 69, right? 68, 69, 70, and it's gonna continue all the way to first leg 65. Okay, time right now 9:20. Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen. All right. So, okay. So far so good. All right. So we have a sideways. We have a sideways snake, right? The snake is sideways, bull is up, bear is down. All right. We have a sideways wave. It's a sideways circle wave. All right. That means that I'm expecting the price not to easily take 79 or 68. Clean break of that 68, then we need to figure out where is the price gonna be looking to go, right? Well, 65. Okay, first 65, and okay, Jesus, nothing. Right? 65, and 63. So I'm gonna say it again. It is 71, the level that is gonna tell us who's in control. Clean break of 71 to the downside. We are expecting the price to give everybody a hard time between 71 and 68, 69, no man's land, and then bounce a little bit, come back up, full as many traders as possible, and then break it and continue to 65 and 63, right? As long as 71 is not clean taken, then this snake wave is going to continue its rhythmic action. It'll go all the way back to 79, and remember that the bulls wants to take the price all the way to first leg 81. All right? Okay, 81. So 71, 81. How many points is that, mistake? 71 to 81? 10 points. Okay?
I was looking at something.
Yeah, all right. Go ahead. All right. We all know the open. Okay. right, ladies and gentlemen. What are the odds? Ladies and gentlemen, the odds are that the price is not going to break the low. Price right now, 72.5. But if it does, we know exactly what to do because we know where the price is going. Okay. Okay, time right now.
9:27.
9:27. All right. So, okay. All right. So let's see. Do we have a predetermined pivot? Predetermined pivot, ladies and gentlemen, it's a level that we know way before the price gets there. That we are expecting the price to not cleanly take. All right. So we have a predetermined pivot. 294. 294. It'll take forever, right? Or maybe it'll take a couple of minutes at the open. We all know that, right? Right, okay. So 294, right? That's 42.94, right? So 294 is a predetermined resistance. Okay. 294 is a predetermined pivot resistance, so you should, by the way, CJ, you should have a chart dedicated to me exclusively. Alright? Naked chart. Nothing on it. Alright? No spaghetti trading here. Alright? And draw that line. You should right now have a line 79.68, and you know that that's an 11-point range. Snake wave that I'm not expecting the price to cleanly take it or not. Number one. Number two, all right, the odds are extremely small that it's gonna hold, right? And then it's gonna bounce, and it's gonna be looking to do its rhythmical move, 68, 70. And then a little, depending on the volatility, by the time it gets there, we all know that the bulls wants to take it to 81, and then once the uptrend is confirmed, we know it's going to 94. Our job is to let it ride to 94. All right, and 94 is going to stop it. It's going to stop the price. Call, and then we're going to consider taking a counter trend. By the way, we counter trend here. All right. We trade with the trend, and we have two trades going at the same time, right? The main play and a counter trade with a smaller position. Right? We take, so in other words, we look to take advantage of every single move that we can see. There is a possibility of the price moving. All right, so here we go. Okay, so we're gonna have a little bit of chop. The up, the open. remember, right? Chop, right? No clean break from the open. But we have the odds, right? Up, right? To 79. Okay, right. Boom, 75. Right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So obvious, right? That we are by far out of the woods. All right. You know how the open is? Yes, sure. We're long the break of the open 72, right? Terrific. Prices went to 75. We are expecting a continuation to 79. Mystic, is it possible that we have a drop to 71, 70 in one microsecond?
Absolutely.
And what are we gonna do? We're gonna continue being bull, right?
Correct.
The price needs to destroy 69, 70, right?
That's
For
right.
us to change our mind in terms of what the main play is, right?
Right.
All right, we never let a winner turn into a loser. All right, we're warming up. We are long because we have the small odds in our favor. We believe, just like I said 5 minutes ago, that the low is gonna hold. There will not. They will not. The odds are that it's gonna hold. That this bounce is gonna continue going up. We have a little bit of confirmation here at the open, even though we're expecting a choppy open. But we have to stay there. Price comes right back down. We get the hell out. We build back better, and we continue buying the low all the way to 68, right? And expecting the price to go to 79. First, break it and continue 81. Price right now 75. All right. That's good, Mr.
Yes.
77?
Uh-huh.
Okie dokie then. What do you think? What do you think scalpers are doing right now? Those traders like us that went long 71, 72 when at the open, right? When we saw that break of the open, what do you think they're doing right now? They're up 3, 4, 5 points, right? From 70 to 77, almost 78. They're locking 5 points, depending on each of you position size. It would be a good idea to lock here too, right? 77. All right. If you are all in, all out, you just made 5 points. You're probably getting all out 77. You just made 5 points. Terrific. You're happy, right? Remember, we're gonna be looking to get out 3 times. All right, but you don't have to. I know that going after 3 targets is extremely difficult for inexperienced traders that trade scare money. Are you kidding me? Once they see 5 points in 5 seconds, they'll love it and they get the hell out. No, nothing wrong with that. All right. No, okay, una verde.
No, nada más para ver dónde estaba.
No. Sí, porque no hay 5 y 6. Yep, that's right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is just the open. We have the jobless claim this morning. We have gas at 10:30. Gas is not a market mover. Right? Remember, right? The most important thing is direction is king. Right? The CTA is sideways. The Fed is sideways. The overall market direction is unknown. It will be known. I'm expecting for the market to reveal itself. And the only one that we have clear is the going trend, which is bullish, right? And we were at the low of the snake wave, 68, right? 68, 71. As long as 71 is holding, the play is long. And then, of course, smart money knows that we know So what do? Well, they sometimes they break 71 and they're gonna play all the way to 68 because they know that most traders are not gonna be able to hold it. We, on the other hand, we're gonna be looking forward to buy that 68, 69, right? To build back then, because we believe that that any action below 71 to 68 3 points is a squeeze, uh-huh. And then, but we're gonna see it, right? We're gonna pulse it out. A clean break of 71, then the odds go the other way. Bears take control, and the odds are that it's indeed gonna go to 68, break it, and continue to 65 and 63. All right, but we'll remain bullish. Right, we'll remain bullish until that happens. All right, we're just warming up. Small position. This is extremely tough environment overall. All right, here we go. Come on, alrighty. Alrighty then. Snake. Isn't this what snakes means? Stick sideways.
That's exactly what snake
Right.
means.
Look at it. What's the low for since the market up in 71 quarter, isn't it?
Yes.
71 quarter. What does that tell you? That we know exactly the importance of 71, right? There you go. All right. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. 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 God, I said 81, right? Instead.
Yes.
God, we're gonna bring it down 1 point to 80. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, resistances are coming down from 81 to 80 now. I know it's just 1 point. Believe you me, we really want to pay attention to that 1 point move. Okay. All right. Okay. 81. We were expecting a move from 71 to 81, 10 points. Well, now it's not 10 points, it's 9. Okay? So the price action is in a concentration. Right? Now everybody wants to know, right? Is this consolidation a distribution or accumulation? Right? All right. The odds are like 50-50. Alrighty? Alright. So if the smart money is everybody, look at the chart. Please look at it. Alright? 71, 75, and then 77, back to 72, back to 77, quarter, right, half, and then back to 72. All right. So a weak trader is destroyed with this action. If you don't have direction, I mean, everybody, right? If you're a genius and you're shorting 77 half and you're going long 71, then you're God. You're the God of trading. But I'm telling you, right? When the market moves like this, it doesn't get any tougher. All right? Okay. 71, 78, 78, 71, 71, 78, 78, back to 71. All right? All right. Traders know about trading every day, but the right day. Okay. ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, bulls and bears, they're both making money, right? Those were shorting 77, 78, making a couple of, they're scalping a couple of points, and the bulls, the ones trading, going below of our way, right? Okay, 71, 79, and then we're good to scalping big time. Everybody's afraid. You can see it. Right? They make a couple of points, 2, 3 points, boom, in 2, 3 microseconds, they get the hell out. They'll do it again. Right? So we are accumulating points. We are accumulating points. Eventually, we all know that the market is going to break either 70 or 70, 77, right? 77. What is that, Mystic? 70 what? 77 and a half?
Yes.
We're gonna call it 70. Right? We'll know it's gonna be a break. All right. We are expecting the break to be to the upside, but we know exactly what to do if the break is to the downside. Right? And the more the price chop. Right, look at that. Time 9:43. 13 minutes of massive chop. Our best friend is volatility. What's our worst enemy?
Chop.
Chop. Is that what we have right now?
That's exactly.
All right. So, any shenanigans from a trader that is not concentrated, full on, doesn't have experience, know exactly what to do. What do you think the market is doing to that trader right now?
Kicking their ass.
Exactly. All right. So, stay with me. All right. Very strong. We know exactly what to do in case of whatever happens. All right. So, fifth dimension. All right. We usually the market is pretty much most of the time it's in a two-dimensional environment. And sometimes it's only one dimension, sometimes it's three. One is too little, three is too many. We are on 5. The little, it will change. It will go back to the market is balanced, by the way. It's not out of balance.
That's good news.
That's right. Okay. Alright, trading is not about day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so look at the right. Look at the way. Right? Look at the way the price went from 74 all the way to 7. Right?
Right.
Okay. So we're watching it. Right? That's the way the smart money destroys the unfocused. Right? This is nasty, right? Remember, what did I say, mistake? I said that a clean break of 71, right?
Right.
The odds are that the price is eventually going to take the low 68. Look, is that 68 almost to the tick?
Almost 68.
All right. So now we believe that right. But this is a clean break. Right? Look at the way we went from 75 to all the way to the low where all the bulls are going long. 68, right? 68 is the best risk reward ratio to go long, right? Oh, okay, good. So we know that, right? And then we believe that that because of this action right here, the one that I've been talking about for half an hour, is the confirmation that 68 is not going to hold, and the price is going where? Did I say where the price was going to go?
Yes.
Did I say 65 and 62? 63?
That's correct.
There you go. So that's all All right, so we know everything before it happens, and we saw it happening in front of our eyes.
That's
Right?
right.
So you take that breakout short, right? Right? So we take that breakout short, 71, that we all saw it beautifully happening, and then we change hat, short, 71. The main plate now is that breakout, 71, and we are expecting the price to go all the way to, of course, 68. Smart money knows that all the bulls are, and especially the teenagers on YouTube, they only know double top and double bottom. They call it an area of support, or an area of demand. They just learned that terminology, right? What they don't know is what we knew. Hey, listen, a clean break of that 71, that 68, he ain't going to hold. Price is gonna break and it's gonna continue to 65, right? So we know that. 71, we change hat short, bear, breakout 71, expecting the price to take 68 and continue to 65 and 63. Ready? Okay. So we were expecting the price to go up to 79. It only went to 78. We missed it by 1 point. And then we were prepared. We know now that because of this drop right here, the Bears took control of the main play, and that they were going to take the low 68, 69, and we are on our way to 65. All right, so the main play now is breakout short 71. That's the main play now. Right? Are we gonna go to 65 in one straight line, mistake?
Most likely not.
Most likely not, right? The price hardly ever goes to anywhere significant in one shot, right? So where did it go? What's the low? It's 65.75. All right.
Yep.
We knew that 65 was support, right? Why is it support? Because that's where the price was gonna go. It's a destination. If 65 is a destination in terms of the price going down, then that's support. And 63, that's support as well. All right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, look. All right? Price break 71, main play is down, so we had to change hats to bear. And the more times we have to change hats, the more difficult the price action is. Alrighty, and I'm gonna tell you this. ¿Cómo que se llama el trade lead de hoy? CR. CJ. All right. So one of the most difficult things for inexperienced traders to do is to change hat. All right. We change hats here, need be, as many times need be. Alrighty, you just have to wait for me to tell you change hat. Most of the time, you're gonna know it before it happens. Just like I've been telling everybody here for 45 minutes. A break of 71, 69 or 68, 71. That 71 is what's gonna tell us that the main play is short, right? So you know to change hat as you are watching it happen. Let's take 71. It goes all the way to 65, 75. We're gonna call it 66, mistake. Okay?
Okay.
Goes to 66, and we're not surprised that the price bounced off of here, off of 66, because 65 was our first level of support, right? That's where we said the price was gonna go. And listen, break of 71, price is gonna break 68 and continue to 65. There's enough strength. There's enough gunpowder to take it to 65. For the smart money to break 71 clean break, they need this much gunpowder that they even themselves cannot stop it. It needs to take the price to 65. Boom. Give me a couple of ticks. Or should I go back to the drawing board, mistake, because I missed it by 3 ticks?
I don't think so.
Well, I like it when the price goes exactly
Your level.
to where it says, to where we say the price is gonna go. All righty. Okay, I'm not holding, I'm not blowing my horn or anything like that. I'm just telling you, like, how it is. All right. So what we need to figure out now is the following, right? So in other words, price goes to 66. It bounced. We are expecting the bounce because we knew the price was gonna go to 65, and we knew that 65 was support. All right. So this is not, this is not an action that we're not expecting. All right, good. So, all right, so here's the bounce. Boom. Oh my God, back to 68. Oh my God, it's almost going to go to 71. What do you think? Now we have 71 and 74 resistance. All right, I'm not expecting the price to take 74, 75. That's not going to happen. All right, this move up, right? It's a bounce. It's a rally in a minor down trend. Okay, not to be confused with the overall market direction. That's something completely, totally different. All righty? All right. So if the main play is short, we know the main play is short now. Price bounce. What are the bears are doing right now? Shorting 71. Well, what do you think they're doing? Trading 101. Support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. All right. Price goes all the way to 71. We bears know that the main play is short. 71 is the break of look at that beauty of this thing. Is that what 71 something? I can't even see it. 71 half.
71 half.
Look at that. You had 2 ticks to take this shot. 71. Right? Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And all right. Okay, boom, bam, bing. Alrighty. Okay, so no change of hat because we know that the price, I told you, 74, 75 needs to be destroyed for us to probably change hat. So I'm not even talking about it. We remain bearish, price goes up, it gives us a nice risk reward ratio entry short, and then we stay short until I tell you not to be short anymore. All right, what is it that I'm expecting the price to do? To go back down all the way to the new low, 66, break it, go to 65, and then shenanigans 60, 65, 63. And then we'll take it from there. That's our target one from our break of 71. That's one trade, the breakout 71, and the other one is the test of 71 after the price bounce, rally, goes all the way up to our resistance, giving us another chance to short 71. And now we are, we are expecting the price to, just like I told you, bam! Is that 75, 65 mistake?
It sure is.
Okay. The price is doing exactly what we said, the way we said it, because remember, it's not enough to know where the price is going, which is already, if you know where the price is going, you are already 99% above the other 99% of traders that only trade what they see. They have no clue how to do this. We need to know what the price is going to do, but we need to know how the hell it's going to do it. And that's exactly what I'm narrating to you right here, right now. Price goes a couple of ticks below 65. We know 65 is support. It is target one because remember, target one is 63, 65. Right? So we have a 2-point range that we know is support. So that's target one. So you already down, you're already out 65 from 71. I mean, you're not going to buy a Lamborghini with 5 points, right, Mystic, unless you're trading 100 contracts.
That's right.
All right, well, but we got to do what we got to do. 81, right? That I brought down to 80. Remember, Mystic? I brought it down to 80, right?
You did bring it down.
All right. Okay, so price goes right here, 76. We are in a snake wave, right? And look at the recoil. Cannot take it. All right? And we believe that above 70, look at that, the 77. Remember 77? Yeah. 77, 75, all the way to 79, 4 points. Look at the way the price goes and it destroys, and all the bears that were going short here, they got destroyed. They got scared the hell out with that spike. We, on the other hand, right? We are still we are still bearish. We are taking into consideration this um, this spike that worked beautifully for us because we were totally uh, ready to shore 75, 79, right? Right. All right. So you saw the move out, you saw the move out, you saw the move off. So we are short mid range 75, 75. That's 77, right? That's it. Okay, 77 all the way to 81. All right. Until I tell you what I think the price is gonna do. Is the price going to take 81 or not? All right. So we are. So in other words, ladies and gentlemen, when the smart money is vicious enough, and they want to destroy every single teenager on YouTube, those teenagers that claim that they're big shot traders, right? And every retail trader, this is how they do it. Look at that, right? A full reversal, and we know that 80 is 80 right here, right? 80. Remember that I brought it down to 80. What the hell am I doing? Okay, here. Remember that? We know that 80 is resistance. Okay. Oh my God, Capi. So what's the main play? Well, the main play, my friends, is still sure until I tell you it's not anymore. All right? Because that spike, we don't know yet. It doesn't matter. That spike that destroyed, right? Look at that. Look at the way it went from 71. Look at the way it went from in a couple of minutes from 71 to almost 80. 9 points, right? That spike. We don't know yet. We don't care. We were totally ready to short it. Short resistance. Short the high. Short the high. Until I tell you not anymore. Alrighty? Okay. Alrighty, so short the highs. Okay. So this spike, by the way, is not the same as the drop when the price destroys 71. Alright? It's totally different. Okay, so and remember, right? Remember, so now you know the importance of being long our targets. As a counter trend, I prefer to be long right here, 65 with a small position than not being long at all. Right? All right. And you're gonna see it. Every time I tell you this is a target, right? Is it gonna work 100% of the time, mistake?
Most likely.
Most likely no, but right? You gotta be here to see it happen. In other words, you've never seen trading like this anywhere in the world. Not even the big timers. Not just the teenagers. Teenagers, they're just clowns. Well, actually, they're not clowns.
They're not clowns.
They have 2 and 3 million members. They make a lot. They make more money than all of us here put together.
Wow.
Okay, with the subscription, man, and they sell their garbage course for $500. So believe you me, they're no clowns. They make a lot more money than all of us put together here. But you know what I mean? They're clown as traders, and not only them, even the big timers. Those, every time that you watching YouTube and you see the same people over and over again, yeah, they're not the teenagers. There's a whole bunch of other fake gurus out there, right? You've never seen trading like this. If you go to their rooms, if they dare to have one live trading, which none of them do, and those that do, you're not gonna see a reading of the price action live, real time, as it's happening. You're not gonna see that anywhere. All right, so you make sure you be careful who you follow. Right, we're gonna continue doing our thing here, and we do it every single day of the, right, every single day. So there's no chance to cherry pick. All right, come on, price. All right, so believe you me, I'm talking to you, and I'm looking 75, 76. I'm looking at it real well. All righty, okay, so hang in there. What is the next resistance? Right? Did I give it? Yeah, that's right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's
94.
90. Yep, that's right, 94. Let me go ahead and okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and you should already have a line drawn right there at 94. All right, look at your chart. All righty. Okay, so boom, 80. Right, mistake? 80 quarter, right?
Yes.
Okie dokie, then let's say. Okay, we all know that this is a short. Stop right here, right? For those of you who are building back better, this is short. A clean break of this new high right here. Then we believe that the price is gonna continue going all the way to 94 by way of. Let me see. All right, let me see what's between 80 and 94. That's 14 points, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what the levels of resistance are gonna be these 14 points. Okay, 83 half. That's where it's going. Next, 83 half.
Cappy, we have a bearish Adam and Eve.
Okay, gentlemen. All right, so this action right here, 75, 81. Right, it's gonna be a tough action. Okay, we believe that we don't have a main play anymore. Remember the main play short 71, and we still believe that the main play is short. Oh my God, but it's so high. That's right. You know, clean break of this new high. We know price is gonna go to 83 half. That will invalidate the reading of the main play still being short. All right. So a clean break of 80. Price is gonna continue to 83 half. Nothing. Just a couple of points, and then we're gonna be in no man's land. All right. We don't. At that point, we don't know which the main plane is. All right. Either short, right? That recoil there, 83, or the bounce, the counter trend that we are currently on. Those of us who know our strategy, what to do on target, right? The counter trend long 65 is nicely, 65 all the way to 80. It's pretty good, 15 points for the counter trend small position, right? All right, so we're long, right? So if you do exactly what exactly, if you trade exactly the way we trade here, you are long 65 and you are short 80.
Correct.
Right? We believe that the short 80 is the main play, even though the price destroys 71. Beautiful. That doesn't mean that now the bulls are in control. That means that the bull just destroyed all the fake gurus on YouTube. That's exactly what that means. We here believe that being short 80, right? Remember I brought it down, Steve, from 81 to 80?
Yes, you did.
So you're supposed to be short 80, and we believe that short 80 is still the main play. And look at the counter trend long 65. It just gave us 15 points.
Beautiful.
All right. So what's gonna happen next? 75, 81, right? 75, 81. These 6 points right here of shenanigans. Okay, we know 83 half. Right? We know that a clean break to the upside, price is gonna go to 83 half, and at that point there is no main play, right? Okay, I'll have to wait and see a couple of other stuff, and then we make a decision as to whether the counter trend long currently that we are currently on 65 is going to eventually be the main play, right? And if it is, and that's good news, my friends, because we're going to 94. All right. So those of us who are long 65 counter trend, we're going to add to that winner, right? Expecting the price to continue going all the way to 94. But we need first a break of this higher high 80 quarter. We know it's only gonna go to 83 half, and then we take it from there. Alrighty. In the meantime, we took our last short right here, 80. Price just went to 76, so we're up 4 points. And what do we want, Mystic? We want the price to break 76, 75, and give us, hey, come on, man, go back to 72. All right. Okay. And the terrible trader, do me a favor. Let Mystic know if you have heard every single word I said. Do me a favor, and CJ, and CJ, you too. Do me a favor, please. All right, because a lot of what I'm saying it for you. All right, terrible trader. You're gonna change that name, by the way. I'm saying it for you. Well, actually, we'll talk about it. All right, good. Thanks. Thanks, Terry. I'm gonna call him Terry.
Okay.
Right? Call him Terry? All right. Terry, thanks for your reply, buddy. All right, terrific. Okay. All right, good. All right, so listen, you too. You're not gonna get everything. And one day, both of you, this is your first day today. And you're not gonna get everything. All right? Most of these guys here have been trading with me for 3 and 4 years, and some of them have been trading with me for 15 years, and I've been trading for 37 years. All right, exclusively the S&P 500. It's the only way that this thing can be read the way I'm doing it. All right, so hang in there, relax. All right, ladies and gentlemen, price going right back up, testing the high, and oh my God, oh my God, look at this. Yeah, I know. I know. Don't worry about it. Okay. All right. Clean break. It's gonna take you to 83. As long as it's not a clean break, there's 80, 81. Now I can go back to 81.
Okay.
Alrighty. All right. Clean break though. We're gonna ride it to 94. So imagine let's take the counter trend long 65. 94 minus 65, that's 29 points, right? That's our objective, all right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, our objective for the counter trend long 65, it's 94. So we're after 29 points. In the meantime, we're showing little resistances here. Why? Because we know that it's not gonna go there on a straight line, right? Okay. Awesome. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, make no mistake about it. The main play is short. Okay? Even if the price goes all the way to 83 half, clean break, it goes to 83 half, I'm beginning to have signs that no, it's just more squeezing. All right? So rest assured that the main play is short. What does that mean? Why is that so important? Because you want to have the bulk of your position size, which is something that the fake gurus they will never dare, to read the market and also to tell you position size. All righty? Okay, boom. Look at this nastiness here. All right? Okay, look at it. Look how beautiful the smart money taking the stops. What do you think that was? That's a stop fishing. All right, 83 half, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So more shenanigans, right? This is to be expected, right here. 73, 83, right? So let's call it 74, 84, right? Round numbers. 10 points. 10 points of shenanigans, right here. All right? Never let a winner turn into a loser. Remember, we are scalpers. We're not investors. Okay? Look at that. Boom. Up. Takes the 81. And then it bounces all the way to 76. Boom. Take it again. Stop fishing it. Bang. It goes right back down to 75. Boom. It bounces right back up. Look at the fight. Okay? All right? We never let a winner turn into a loser. All right? Direction is king. Okay? Don't let the smart money shake you out. All right. Okay, Capi, this is what I'm gonna do, man. This move up from 75, man, all the way to 81 again is too much, man. It took my trail. I'll just wait for this thing to go to 83, 84, right? And then I'll do it again right there, 84. Unless you say, hey, you know what? Boom, it's not. These guys are done. Stop fishing. Now they're gonna break 83, 84, and now we are on our way to 94, right? In the meantime, don't you dare to touch your long 65 counter trend. Yes, I know, with a small position, big deal. You know, we're talking 29 points, right? From 65 to 94. All righty? Just let her ride. All right? So, no prints at 83 half, but smart money's shaking, my friend. Shaking the bears. Look at that. Boom. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. All right? Okay. And we know better. Boom. All right? Back to 80. Right? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Main play for us. Continue being short. Right? Clean break of 83, 84, then that's going to invalidate our forecast, and then we'll see. Believe you me, smart money is making all the teenagers on YouTube believe that the price is gonna continue going up, right? If it does, terrific. We're long from 65 counter trend, and we are shorting our resistances, right? So many times need be. Clean break of 84, we're not going to short anymore. The main play analysis, it's invalidated. The setup would be invalidated, and then we just concentrate on our current long 65 target one that we're on. Okay, price goes here, right? 83 change. Cannot take it. Boom, pull back to 90. All right? You stay with the hat that we're on. Okay? We have a bigger position, short than long. We're still making, are you kidding me? That's a beautiful move for long 65. But we have a bigger position here. All right? So what do we want? We want this drop going right now to go all the way to break every single little support, because we have a bigger position here, and then the counter trend long, right? Stop, break even, start trailing, right? Let the price take your trail for the long 65 counter trend that we're on. Alrighty? I don't have to tell you that, right? That's trading 101. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's 83, right? Remember, the exact level, it's 83 half. All right, so 83, 84, right? Okay. That's 18 points from the 65 long, right?
Correct.
All right. Okay, so a clean break of this 83, 75. So let's call it 84, right? It's a clean break. That's it. The Bulls take control and they're going 94. Your job is to ride this counter trend long 65 all the way to 94 and not shorting anymore. Not that it's not gonna work 86, 88, 90, 92. Not that it's not gonna work, but we're not interested. That's it. We're done shorting resistances. This is the last one. Period. That's all there is to it. Don't add because if you add, you're gonna have a bigger position, right? And you don't want to have a bigger position if we are expecting the price to go to 94, right? So don't add. Okay, the only way that you're gonna remain sure, right, or establish a new position sure is with a new position, right? Don't add. You are already sure from 82. Don't add 84. We don't want to have that uh, uh, big position. Oh my God, Capi, but if this thing goes down, all the way down back to 64, I can buy two Lamborghinis today. The risk is too much. We don't want to do that because we know that the bulls want to eventually take the price to 94. So the main management, right? Clean break. This is not a clean break, right? I told you, a clean break. It's gonna take it to 94, right? So then we be looking to manage is the counter trend long. Okay. Don't add sure. It's on its way to 94, uh, but the way it's doing it is the smart money testing our patient, right? This break right here that we just had, all right? You know not to shore above 83 half anymore, right? Because we believe that the price is on its way to 94. So the the there is no main play because I have reasons to believe that this move up is pretty much a squeeze. Alrighty, okay, some fishy is going on here. All right, we don't care. That's why we counter trend, right? We're long, expecting the price to continue to 94, and we are after 29 points. That's what I told you an hour and a half ago. All right, so you gotta be strong. No copy the pullback, took my trail, get back in. Alrighty, all right. The idea is to ride it to 94 with a big position. No, all right, this is a fifth dimensional market environment. It's extremely tough. It's been tough, right? We nailed the 75, 71 breakout, gave us target one. We were expecting it there with a counter trend, and we've been enjoying this play up because we believe that the price is going to continue to 94 for a 29 points. In the meantime, we've been shorting. Oh my God, we made 3 points here. We made 3 points here. We made 6 points here. Oh my God, this is a scratch. That's right. That's how it goes. Is it gonna be another destination? Remember, there is a difference between target and destination. All right, 83 half was a destination. There is another destination, 88. Okay, so go ahead and draw a line in your chart, 88, so that you know that 88 is a destination. In other words, price it'll go to 94 by way of 88. What does that mean for the new guys? Well, what that means, because to go to 94, it has to go through 88, right? Okay, that's common sense. That's mathematics, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, what we mean when we say destination is that we are expecting a reaction off of this. We're not expecting a reaction off of 87, 86, 85. No, 88. an 83 half. Right? That's what we mean. And 94. What's 94 target 1? So we need to know if it's a target, because if 94 is a target, we're going to be looking to counter trended short. Counter trend, the counter trend. Remember?
Yes.
It's a counter trend of a counter trend, right? So depending on what time we get there, then it's a target one. Just like 61 was a target,
Yeah.
right? 65 was a target, just like 65 was a target. 94 is a target too, right? So we're gonna do 94, exactly the same thing that we did at 65. We're gonna counter trended short. All right? Okay. 88. Well, if you're an experienced trader, you know that 88 is a destination. So you're gonna watch 88 real close and expecting some reaction there. Look, look how the price is just finding a little bit of resistance and then a pullback. A little resistance, pullback in an uptrend, right? In the uptrend of the counter trend. Right? Little resistance, finding goes. It's going slowly. The reason they're doing this is because they know that the teenagers, they are adding to a loser. They're short. So the smart money is taking the highs, making them believe that it's gonna continue going down, right? We're taking advantage of that. That's why we're scalping short our resistances, and the way it does it, it takes it like that, a little bit, and then they're adding to a loser because they're not scared yet, because there is no clean break. If there was, then they get out and they go long. So smart money knows not to do it. And by now, most of these fake gurus on YouTube, if they're trading for real, which we know they don't, in their demo account, they just depleted their account. It's a beautiful quiz. Smart money knows that anything above 80, our 80, remember our 80?
Yes.
All right. When we began to change hats to and expecting higher odds for the price to go to 94, right? The break of 80. But look at the way it did it. It tried once, couldn't take it. Twice, couldn't take it. 3, 4 times, 6 times, couldn't take it. A little bit, and then boom. And then in pulse, right here, 76, and an okay break. Okay break. That's it. All right. That's our confirmation that the odds that the price is gonna continue going to 94 are higher. And if we know that, right, we know that so long as the price is above 79.80, then the odds are that we will get our 94. Okay, that doesn't mean in the meantime that we're not gonna give it a shot short all the way to 83 half. Above 83 half, we're done. No more. If you are an extremely experienced trader, you're gonna watch 88, and then it'll be risky. But here in Capital Trade Center room, we're not gonna do it. All right, we're gonna ride it all the way to 94. Price right now, 86. Now that it's not gonna work, 88 is resistance. It's a destination though. There's a big difference between destination and target. All right. So a destination is weaker, so the price can break it easier than a target. Right? A target, right? Okay. But not that it's not gonna work, because smart money knows that the retail traders, they are adding to a loser. Is that 87.75 mistake?
Yes.
All right, so that's what, one tick from our 88.
Destination. Yep.
So the price cannot take it by one tick, and then what are we expecting now? Well, 88, 83, 83, 88, 88, 33. You know, the more it cannot go below the current the last low, the greater the odds that we're gonna get our 94. I told you, if you're experienced trader, it's okay to take the 88, right? Okay, 88 short. Okay, let's see. Okay. Meaning, it's a scout, basically. All right. Can okay. So that we are expecting a anemic continuation to 94, anemic, but continuation nevertheless. Right? That's the way. Remember what I told you. A professional trader not only needs to know exactly where the price is going in terms, when I say exactly, I'm talking about the odds, right? Nobody knows where anything is going ever, right? Nobody has a real crystal ball. We all know. A professional trader needs to have the odds as to exactly where the price is gonna go, right? And then go with it. All right. Just like I told you. Remember, anything above 80 is a squeeze. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is an interesting area right here. The 88 turned out to be a key area. All right. Repeat. This 88 here turned out to be a key area. Okay. What does that mean? Well, that means basically, I'm not expecting the price to take 89, 88, 89, 89. Round it up to 89. A clean break of 89. Um, for the smart man to break 89, they need strong enough gunpowder, and it's got to take it all the way to 94. All right, as long as this new high right here, 89, is not taken, the time right now, 11:18, the Bears are in control short term. Okay. All right, so just in case that I close the mic and I get the heck out of here. So it's gonna be a while, right? We know that the odds are that the price is gonna go to our target 191. Now listen to me. There is a target too. Gee, really? What is it? What do you think? You know, is there a psychological level above 94 that you think um, if right the Bulls really are in the control here? Of course, 300. Thank you, man. Thank you, Mega. Right? 300. Yeah, sure. 94. So here's the deal. 94 now target 1. It's a range. It's no longer a single level. It's 300. It's right there. We all know that. 98, 99, 300, right? So counter trending short 94. 94 is a predetermined pivot. I gave you 94 half an hour before the market opened today. Remember 94? 294 is a predetermined pivot resistance. Respected the price since this morning to recoil, right? All right. It's not that simple, right? Because the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Everything is changing all the time. New rotations, new channels, right? New waves, new key levels, right? Targets, support, resistances, right? New formations. This is changing all the time, and that gives us new parameters, and it gives us new elements that we need to consider, right? So of course we have to see how the price goes to 94, right? But regardless, it's a predetermined pivot, so we are expecting a reaction off of 94. So depending on the time, depending on the volatility, depending on the volume, depending on the speed, depending on a whole bunch of stuff, we'll know exactly what's gonna happen with 94, right? So we have 94 and we have 300 right there, 6 points away. Right? So a clean break of 94, which I don't foresee seeing it, especially this time of day. Are you kidding me? It's 11:40 already. You kidding me? Shot began already. I'm gonna shut the mic any minute now, right? Because now it's just a matter of let the price go our way, and and if you guys want to go play golf, I don't play golf, so I'll stay watching my position until I get what I want. I'm telling you that we have to watch that 94 recoil really closely because we know that 300 is right there. Okay. All right. 11:40, and I bet as soon as I close the mic, it's gonna spring. All right, so we're gonna stay a little longer. Okay, remember, ladies and gentlemen, the Bears are still in control of the short term. Hey, what's the short term? This is right here, right? 88, which just became 88, 89, and it just became 90. The Bears are still in control, short term. Alrighty? Importance of that information is because we need to know the smart money. What's the smart money doing with the bulls? Right? With the weak bear. It's taking their stuff. That's why it's taking 87, 88, 89, 90. The reason the price taking it is because they're taking the weak trader. Stop fishing. Right. So in other words, all this time, right, since I told you, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes ago, something like that, this chop here, this ebb and flow, this chop, 84, 90, is in a distribution, right? Okay, and then we all know how this money behave. Bam! They'll take it eventually, and we'll see it's a clean break. We know exactly where it's going, and then that's when the bulls take back control. All right, and that break that is gonna take the price all the way to 95. Anyway, we're gonna take I'm gonna take a small break, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, official chat began 20 minutes ago. Well, more than 20 minutes. Officially, 23 minutes ago. Alright, so this is pretty much it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So from now on, just continue watching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just watch a little longer. Eighty-four 90, right? Okay. Alright, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, remember, shorting. This is a short term. It's a counter because mm, the odds are that the price is going to continue to over 94. So that's 90. So we want 4 more points. Alrighty. In the meantime, because we know not only where the price is going, but how it's going to do it, then we can take advantage of the cable. CJR, do me a favor. You have a message from Mystic. Would you please attend to it? I appreciate it. Let us know how you're doing, if you're okay. And ready? Okay. Time right now, let's 11:57, and this is pretty much it. Right. Like I said, as soon as I shut down the mic, that it's spring. It's gonna come a little to 94. Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, there is a new. There is a new. There is a new destination between. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go, here's a new destination. Okay, what the hell is that? 4, right? Alright, 90, 96 half. Alright, this is another this is a destination, okay? Alright, so now we have a little bit more resistances, alright, 94, and then if the bulls take complete control, and finally, right, then and they want to take it to 300 by way of 96 half, right? In the meantime, we know that the Bears, the short term, it's the Bears that were in control. So, all right, so, you know, look, 85, 90, 90, 94, 94. I told you everything you need to know, all right? Never let a winner turn into a loser. Never let a green day go red. All right, that's a cardinal sin in this room. Capital Trade Center. All righty, and remember, if you're gonna follow somebody, if you if you if you want to be coached by somebody, just make sure that you don't get fooled by all these girly girls on YouTube and all these boys and all these teenagers, right? Making you believe, showing you all bunch of garbage, and telling you, making you believe that they're big shot fresh. They're not. If they were, they would be doing exactly what we do here every single day, which is live, real time reading, analysis, reading of the market as it's happening. All right. These fake gurus, they have a trick. They put on the thumbnail, on the title, live trading, and then they teach you what they were supposedly doing live, but they teach you after the fact. That's garbage, all right? That only gets new, inexperienced traders. If you want to follow somebody, make sure that it's live, real time, as it's happening. Otherwise, if it's not live, it's not real. Bam! 83. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 94 to the tick, isn't it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna move this 96 half. We're gonna move it to 98. All righty. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 98, and we are going to make 303. We're gonna make 303 target 2. Okay, this is gonna be target 2. Okay, that's our 98. All right, we're gonna let it ride all the way to 303. Remember, 98 is a destination, so it's so we are expecting this recoiling here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we can see now how the price went to our 94, giving us 29 points of our counter trend long, 65 predetermined pivot. And it takes it, right? Look at the way it took it. It takes it, it goes to our destination 98. Those of you who pulsed it out, all right? You go short here, counter trend beginning 94. It's a counter trend short, and then we had a new level 98. So you pulse it out all the way to 98. That's printing 90. That's 9 points. That's 8 points.